welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be making Soyrizo and tofu scramble. So it's a quick and easy recipe for any weekend breakfast or brunch. So to prepare this recipe, we will be using 10 ingredients. So starting with our main ingredients, we have a 1 12-ounce package of Soyrizo and a 1 14-ounce package of firm tofu. Next we have 3 tablespoons of nutritional yeast, a half a cup of diced onion, and a half a cup of chopped cilantro. And lastly, we have our spices. So 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, a half a teaspoon of garlic powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, a 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt, and 1 teaspoon of avocado oil. Let's begin by placing the tofu into a medium bowl. So with the fork, break apart the tofu until you get the consistency of a scrambled egg. Okay, so now that we have an egg-like texture, we're going to begin to add in the spices. So starting off with the nutritional yeast. Next is the turmeric, the onion powder, the garlic powder, and lastly some salt and pepper. So now that we've mixed all the ingredients together, you could really see that the turmeric has changed the color of the tofu to make it look like scrambled eggs. So now it's time to cook the Soyrizo. So we're going to begin by heating up the pan to medium-high and then adding in our oil. So once our oil is heated, we can now add in our onions, and we're going to saute these until they are soft. So now we can add in our Soyrizo. Just cook it for about 5 minutes until it is heated. So for the last step of this recipe, we can now fold in the tofu and the cilantro. So once everything is all well combined, it is now ready to serve. Alright, so thank you guys so much for watching, and again another special thank you to Chef on a Wire for collaborating with me on this recipe. But now it's time for me to eat, so I'll see you guys next time. Bye!